In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a link in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser and opening the design where you want the link to appear. Once you're on the correct page, add some text if you haven't already. This is important because links in Canva are commonly attached to text, buttons, or other clickable elements. Now click directly on the text you want to turn into a link. You should see the text box become selected, and the text editing options will appear at the top of the screen. With the text selected, press Ctrl+K on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or Command+K if you're on a Mac. This opens the link field. If nothing happens, make sure the text box is actually selected first, because the shortcut only works on an active element. Once the link box appears, type or paste the web address you want to use. Be careful to enter the full correct link so viewers are sent to the right page. After that, click Done. At this point, the link is attached to that text element in your Canva design. If you want to confirm it worked, click the linked text again. In many cases, Canva will show that a link has been added, or you'll see the URL associated with that element. Next, click Share in the top right corner. This matters because links usually work best when the design is exported in a format that supports clickable links. From the Share menu, choose Download, then select PDF as the file type. Canva typically preserves clickable hyperlinks in PDF files, while some image formats like PNG or JPG won't keep the link active. Download the file, then open the PDF and test the text by clicking it. If everything was added correctly, it should open the website you entered. One common mistake is downloading the design as an image and expecting the link to work. If the link isn't clickable, go back and make sure you exported it as a PDF. Also double-check that the link was added to the selected text before clicking Done. And that's how you added a link in Canva. Thanks for watching.